The Bank of Ghana on 11th of September 2017 issued the Minimum Capital Directive, by which all universal banks were required to increase their minimum paid-up capital to 400 million Ghana cedis by 31st of December 2018. Following the recapitalization exercise that ended at the close of business on 31st of December 2018, there are now 23 universal banks operating in Ghana. 16 banks have met the new minimum paid-up capital requirement of 400 million Ghana cedis, mainly through capitalization of income surplus and a fresh capital injection. The Bank of Ghana has approved 3 applications for mergers. Consequently, First Atlantic Merchant Bank Limited and Energy Commercial Bank have merged. Omni Bank and Banks El Sahara have merged, and First National Bank and GHL Bank have merged. The 3 resulting banks out of these mergers have all met the new minimum capital requirement. Some private pension funds in Ghana have injected fresh equity capital in 5 indigenous banks through a special purpose holding company named Ghana Amalgamated Trust Limited. GN Bank was unable to comply with the Minimum Capital Directive by 31st of December 2018. Consequently, GN Bank has applied for, and the Bank of Ghana has approved the grant of a savings and loans company license. The Bank of Ghana have approved a request for a voluntary winding up of the operations of Bank of Baroda Ghana Limited effective December 31, 2018. To ensure an orderly exit, and to safeguard the interest of depositors and customers, the Bank of Ghana has approved an assumption agreement between Bank of Baroda Ghana Limited and Stanbic Bank Ghana Limited, under which the latter will assume all deposits and selected loan assets of the bank. The Bank of Ghana has cancelled the banking licenses of Premium Bank Limited and Heritage Bank Limited with effect from the date of this notice, and has appointed Mr. Vishash Ogba of PricewaterhouseCoopers as receiver for the 2 banks. It is expected that the ongoing strengthening of the regulatory and supervisory framework will ensure that the sector is well governed, well managed, and better supervised to restore and maintain much needed confidence in the sector. Thank you for watching, listening, share, subscribe, and let's keep the conversation going.